How Tinubu abandoned Amaechi Ndume. Welcome country people to Synok Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Make you put on your notification bell. E go ring once we drop updates. Make you like, comment and share our videos. Country people, the problem of the All Progressive Congress, the ruling party, it majorly dey come from within the party. Now members of the party and very senior members, now they attack the president consistently. And one of such persons, now a ranking senator, Ali Ndume, when in the claim say he does spend over 24 years for the National Assembly. If it not be one talk, it will be the other. And all now against President Bola Tinubu. For this story, the Borno South Senator, he don dey explain how President Bola Tinubu they abandon Chibuike Amaechi after the 2023 presidential election. Una go recall, say Chibuike Rotimi, as the know well, now former governor of Rivers State, and also now an ally of President Muhammadu Buhari, and he served as Minister of Transportation for the Buhari government. Ndume don dey talk say he be the Director General of the Rotimi Amaechi presidential campaign, and he lead the former Rivers State governor to second place during the All Progressives Congress primary election. He says since the general elections, Tinubu and Amaechi, when he be once political allies, say they no longer they see eye to eye. Can they confirm that view? Say politics now about interest. He say not be news again. Say Amaechi now they currently be one of the leading members of the national coalition of political leaders when they oppose President Tinubu return for 2027.